Hi everyone, and welcome to another Stateless Tech Insight. Mike Anderson, and I have with me Rebecca Warren. Rebecca runs our sales enablement team. What that team is kind of unique here is they help our customers help their customers to figure out how to use new technologies and create new services. Because of where Rebecca works and people she talks with, she's also somewhat in the know on all this DevOps stuff. And so I wanted to get her over here on camera here and talk with her a little bit about that. First question I had for you is, DevOps, it's like really everywhere now, and can you tell us a little bit why?
Right. So I think we can kind of trace back its origins to the early 2000s when we started trying to improve the efficiency in development teams. So that led to the rise of things like Agile and sprint planning and tracking that efficiency over a given amount of time. The next logical iteration from there was the integration of development and operations, which is of course how we get the word DevOps. So it sounds simple enough, right? Development operations, but in practice it's actually proven to take some time to perfect, right? It's 2020 now, so we're looking at almost a decade of getting this practice really up and running. And so if you think about why that challenge has been in the market, it's really because development and operations have traditionally looked at solving the problems of getting code out the door differently. Development, they've always been focused on just writing the code, and then they pass it over to the operations team who's responsible for things like QA or meeting the performance metrics or integration. And so when you look to combine those two worlds, it of course takes some effort. But through that, we've seen some really great processes come together to create this rise of DevOps. So I'm sure you guys have heard of CI/CD or continuous integration and continuous development. There's also been a lot of progress around testing and how that testing is parallel path with our code development. So as we're writing code as part of the DevOps mentality, we're making sure it works the way we expect it to. We're not just handing it off to somebody and making it their problem to make sure the performance metrics are met or that it meets the spec we were given. This has led to a lot of other interesting practices as well, and of course it's a big reason Hyperscale Cloud has become so popular. You're able to spin up instances, write your code, test it on the spot, and continue improving that development velocity and leading to getting projects out the door faster. So DevOps is all about, working in an integrated way across the department, not having silos, and really driving that efficiency in how you develop code.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, hey, there's some great foundational information around DevOps, and it makes a lot of sense if you think about it. Just being able to get applications out the door much more quickly. Look, we're going to keep Rebecca here for a little bit longer. We're going to record a couple more of these, so watch for more of these Tech Insights with Rebecca talking about DevOps, and we'll see you next time.